Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Merry Christmas for those of you who celebrate Christmas. Happy holidays for those of you who celebrate other holidays during this time. It is the day after Christmas and I took some time off because I just wanted to be present in the moment. It was my baby's first Christmas, so I was off social media. My birthday also passed. I was just off social media and very in the moment to be around and enjoy everything that was going on around me. So I'm very grateful. I had a lot of fun, but we gotta get back to it. And I wanted to do a video on one of the gifts that I got that I am so happy I got it, and that is the Dyson Airwrap. What is it called? This is the complete version. This is the Dyson Airwrap comes in 3 different versions and I got the complete version. So if you are interested in seeing me unbox my new Dyson, go ahead and keep on watching. I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is the Dyson Airwrap complete. So there's 3 versions to the Dyson and I got the complete version. So let's just get into it and start unboxing. Oh,
make sure you let them know I bought that shit. I'm the best.
Shut up. Ain't nobody ask you, bruh. Nah. So I got this as a Christmas present. This is what I asked for. So this is how the box opens. Oh no. Oh shit. Babe, I think I'm gonna need help. Oh, maybe not.
3 hours later.
Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so this is the box that it comes with. I love it! Yes, and then it says Dyson at the top. And the moment of truth. Oh, okay. Didn't reveal the secret at first. This is just another piece of the packaging. And some more information. So look, let's see. It comes with, I believe this is a manual. Yep. So it comes with a manual. That's in that little pocket. It comes with the actual tool, the actual Dyson, and then these are the attachments. So this is what you can use to dry your hair before you style it. And then it comes with 4 little barrels, so each barrel is facing away. Is either facing left or right, and it comes in 2 different sizes. So this is like the thicker one and this is the slimmer one. Dyson also creates a longer barrel that you can buy separately, like one of these but longer, for those of you who have longer hair. Then it comes with the soft soothing brush. This is the soft soothing brush, and then you can tell this one moves a little bit. This one is the firm soothing brush. And last but not least, it comes with the round volumizing. The round volumizing brush. And this is the actual tool. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, plug it in, and we get to try it out. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I am back. And I don't mind my hair because we're here to do it. But before we do that, let's take a toast. Cheers. So, I got my Dyson. Alright, so I got my Dyson right here. I've been feeling for this thing for like the longest, since I found out about it. So it has a lock. Let's see if it wants to focus. So as you can see, it has a lock and unlock. So I'm going to use, alright, so it has the unlock and lock right there. And then it has the buttons right here. So the buttons, it has the on and off, and then it has the like the heat setting and the pressure setting right here. Pressure setting, heat setting, and the power. So I'm going to use the firm brush because I kind of want to see how it works. And all you have to do is, let's see. Alrighty, so for the moment of truth. Okay. Okay, it gets pretty hot. Low setting. Oh, low setting is still pretty hot. And then there's cool blast. Okay, Dyson. Alright, that felt good. Alright, so now, let's see. I want to try, so I have right now like, what, day 2 hair? I did it for Christmas Eve. And now it's the day after Christmas. So, this is what you're stuck with. If you hear any background noise, they are watching a movie. I don't think my hair is greasy, so let's just see. Let's take a piece. Let's take this piece right here and try it out. I'm just passing the brush over it so that it could detangle. All right, let's see. Why?
Oh, this shit fire.
Right? The box?
You didn't know it came in this, did you?
No, I did. Look.
I thought the water was running. I bet thought the water was running.
How you thought the water was running, bro? Alright, so clearly it works, but my hair is already done. So that I will probably use the firm brush to like dry my hair off, to make sure that it dries straight, so that, because clearly my hair is curly. So I like that. Now let's do something different. Oh, and it's not really hot to the touch. Like, it's not hot at all. Like, you would have thought that'd be like, oh my god, espérate, I can excuse me. You would have thought maybe you would have to, you know, wait for it to cool off to take it off, but not really. So my hair is a little bit oily. I thought it wasn't, but it is. So what I'm going to do, because I want a lit ass blowout look, is put some dry shampoo. So this is the dry shampoo I use. Is it on Zoom? I forgot how good that shit smells. So again, this is day 2, guys. I just want to try it out on camera to see how it looks. I'm gonna do a full Dyson hairdo. Whenever I wash my hair again, I'll go ahead and record it, because I want to show you guys how this Dyson hair wrap works from wet to dry. And I just got second day hair, and that's it, and I'm probably got that all over. Thumbnail. No. Where's my drink? Oh. It's Saturday. I'm enjoying it. So vamos a pasar este blowecito por aquí mismo. Let's do it on this little piece right here.
Que tú hoy no te había dejado ver. Y esos cabellos tan largos.
Mío.
¿Y dónde se han pasado ustedes el día metida hoy?
Mira. this is my last result. Little piece right here, I gotta go buy it again. My little unboxing or whatever was a success. I love my Dyson. Thank you, babe, for buying it for me. Love it. I'll have hopefully a full tutorial on the Dyson sometime later on, just to see how it works from like when your hair is like fully wet, like when my hair is wet or whatever. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at SmackTalkDanny, and I'll see you guys in the next one.